transport ferroviaire, collaboration avec la Grande-Bretagne. Une rencontre entre Ulrich, ministre du Transport et de la Météorologie, et son Excellence Monsieur Timothy Smart, ambassadeur de Grande-Bretagne à Madagascar, s'est tenue aujourd'hui dans le but de renforcer le partenariat entre les deux pays en matière de transport ferroviaire. À cette occasion, la Grande-Bretagne a fait part de sa décision de faire don d'équipements ferroviaires tels que des traverses de seconde main.
For us, we have close cooperation with the government of Madagascar already, and today was an opportunity to hear in more detail how you would like Britain to help develop your country. And each time we come back to what are your needs, what are your requests, and then we have a lot of experience in public-private partnerships, in railways, in aviation, in oil and gas, imports, where we had a really, really good conversation about where British expertise could help. And again, it comes back to what is useful for you. Obviously, we want to find win-win situations, but we want to see Madagascar back on its feet, with jobs for its people, commercially winning and independent. And this is really important to us. And today with my friend, your Minister of Transport, we were able to have a really good discussion about how Britain may be able to fit into that picture to help you realise your vision for your country.